Welcome to Daily Clout. My name is Nana Prince. Join me as we explore the top YouTube earners in Ghana. From popular vloggers to talented creators, let's discover who's making the most money on YouTube in Ghana. Number 10 on the list is teacher Quadw. He was a professional trained teacher employed by Ghana Education Service and taught at the Akrafum D/a primary school, and he is now a comic skirts maker on YouTube. He has over 248,000 subscribers and makes $98,000 yearly from YouTube.
Hey, pass me sofu.
Send say ho.
Nkomo.
My busy me nya ho.
Hey, sofu.
Krachi ahonhoma me omo yadwuma no mo ntitwi nti so obeka brofo dia.
Hey, sofu.
An sa na tie wuntimi ka brofo so dia betimi a charge na me no maka ma. Opene so.
Yo be bia.
Ene o ka 2000 cedis eni yile.
Cha.
An na kotra mutu mu nwi nsuko nko baako.
Oh.
Number 9 is The Delay Show. The Delay Show is a Ghanaian television program hosted by Dolores Frimpong Manso. The TV program is a talk show that turns to interview industry players in Ghana and the diaspora as well. She has over 517,000 subscribers and makes $95,000 yearly on YouTube.
Ana delay meba na chetutu se ensemu a etu again kwanam denam edunti na me na me bepa achede kese promo no.
On the list, number 8 is Zion Felix. Zion Felix, hailing from Ghana, is a famous blogger, radio personality, publicist, social media marketer, event promoter, and show host. He is the founder and editor of ZionFelix.net, one of the leading entertainment websites in Ghana. He is also a musician and a producer of several TV shows. He has over 630,000 subscribers and earns $99,000 yearly from his YouTube channel. Mahab is the 8th person on the list. Quadell Francis is a Ghanaian content creator who popularly knows as Mahab. He lives in Italy. He mostly talks about new and comic way. He has over 664,000 subscribers and earns over 45.8,000-275,000 monthly. The 7th person is Quadell Sheldon. Quadell Sheldon is a Ghanaian YouTube personality and content creator. He was featured in Advance Media 50 Most Influential Young Ghanaians. He has over 693,000 subscribers, and his net worth is around $71.8 to $431,000. The 6th person is Stephen Kofi Adoma, known professionally as Kofi Adoma Nwanwani, is a Ghanaian journalist. He currently works as the Director of News for the Angel Broadcasting Network, ABN. He is the founder and CEO of KofiTV.in 2004. He has 789,000 subscribers and makes over $71,300 to $428,000 yearly from YouTube channel. Sweet Adjeley, whose real name is Marklina Na Adjeley Key, is a Ghanaian chef, food blogger, and YouTube personality. Sweet Adjeley's YouTube channel has grown significantly over the years, and she has amassed millions of views on her recipe videos. She has over 1.3 million subscribers, and estimated net worth is around $64,600 to $388,000.
A1.
Jessica Oposo, born April 29, 1981, is a Ghanaian media personality, TV and radio broadcaster, YouTuber entrepreneur also. She is the host for Transformation with Jess, Ghana's first ever weight loss reality TV show. She is the owner of the VoiceOver Company, a business that specializes in managing voice talent. She has 1.3 million subscribers and earns over $74,600 to $400,000 from YouTube.
Listen, the way to look beyond
Berthold Kobe Winkler Akon, popularly known as Wode Maya, is a Ghanaian YouTube personality, vlogger, digital media influencer, and aeronautical engineer. His name Wode Maya, Wadamuchin, translates to my mother in the Chinese language. In 2017. He is acclaimed to be one of the top and most influential YouTubers in Africa. He has about 1.4 million subscribers. His net worth is allegedly between $500,000 and $1.5 million. Father Ankor comedian is a sensational and professional YouTuber and content creator who is gradually taking over the social media space using his creative content creation ideas on comedy videos. Comedian Father Ankor is a famous TikTok star who is popular for playing the role of African Charlie Chaplin in his comedy videos. Father Ankor has become a sensation on social media, imitating America's famous celebrity Charlie Chaplin. Just after opening his official YouTube handle on November 30th, 2022, he gained over 1.9 million subscribers, and he is make over $562,000 to $3.37 million from YouTube channel.
$9 months in the belly, no bianca me. Match me joystick, self love, I love my life.